Hello and welcome to the bedroom. I have more RAM chips from the Crusty, Rusty, Dusty Pet to check. So I'm going to remove them one at a time and see. Oops. That's what they have all been in place for a very long time. And so they put up a fight. That, I think, is what we call inertia. 40 years in the same socket. Alright, so we have been using this socket to test things. I will take this RAM chip out, and then, with great care, reverence, I will put this one in, line it up, put it in, turn on this original PET 2001, and I will see that is looking good. So, well, it can sit there a little bit while I get another. So, I'll just turn this machine off. Hello, Penny. Gently extract this. Put this chip, hello, Penny, into the good chip bag for Crusty, Rusty, and Dusty. Penny, why do you suddenly appear? There's nowhere for you to be. We're in the midst of a delicate operation. Now, this RAM chip is a little bit bent. Hi, Penny. So, where the pin is. So I must tweak it ever so gently, making use of my finger. And then we line it up, we pop it in, we turn it on. Oh, well, that's close. It's almost perfect. But there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, is that 8? 8 exclamation marks that are not accounted for. So, I'll try that again. Nope, we still have 8 wayward exclamation marks. Now, I am going to check. Let's see, did I doof anything there? Nope. So, this was very subtle. And that there was, just a little bit down the screen past where things come on and where the ready thing is. There were 8 wayward exclamation marks. That's it, that's all. But that's all it takes. It's in the bad pile. Alright. Just prying out ever so gently another sacred RAM chip. Alright, line it up. Pop it in. Are we actually, you know what? Yeah, I guess it's in. I thought I missed by 2 pins. Let me turn this one on. Oh yeah, this one is bad. It says Commodore EOS CASIC, 7,177 bytes. Free. I wonder, again, is that one in right? Yeah, it is. So we found another bad one. All right. These things happen. And we're getting now down into the critical area. That would be the, why is this envelope giving me such a hard time here? Bad. So our bad chips are actually getting rather full here. Get in there, get in there. Okay, we're getting down into the critical area of, well, I mean, any bad RAM, and certainly, I mean, this could be having an effect on this machine, to be sure. Okay. All right, so we only have 4 left in the machine. Excuse me. So we'll check the pins. They all look good. Machine is off. Witness mark. Push gently. In we go. And we have another good RAM chip. Yay. That is good. That is fine. That is just dandy. Alright, we're coming down the home stretch here. Just 4 to go. And these are critical. These last 4 to the right, as in 2 and 2. That's all you really need to have the machine working. Okay, check the pins. Machine is off. And going in. And we turn it on. And it too is good. Nothing like good RAM. Okay. 3 more. Alright. Into the bag we go. Hello, Penny. Hi, Penny. Yes, I know you're there. Alright. Okay. This one is putting up a bit of a fight. Inertia. Okay. We've got it. These 2, the writing is very faint. Okay. Oh, it's funny, the witness mark on these little chips is tiny. You just gotta take your fingernail and run the law. Okay, computer is off. Chip is in, the pins are good. And we have another good RAM chip. Remember, this is an original PET. a chiclet one. And indeed, the RAM chips from the front of the machine are the same as the screen RAM chips, which means we have a great visual way of testing them. All right, just 2 to go. Two more. Okay, come on. Okay. The pins are looking good. The machine is off. Line them up. Pop it in. Turn it on. And we have, yes, another good RAM chip. So we're down to one last one from this machine. One last one. All right. Oh, it is a sticky one. Isn't it, Penny? Oh, yeah. But I'm using the chip puller that Al Payne gave me. At the world of Commodore. Okay. Pins are looking good. So, get them lined up. Push it in. Double check the witness mark. Turn it on. And, ooh, in a critical position, we have a bad one. It says up here, Amiomo AAQIO 5155. Yeah, that is a critical RAM chip in a critical position amongst the critical ones. All right. Bad RAM. Bad. So it looks like of the RAM chips here on this machine, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 6 bad ones. 6 bad ones. All right, so I'll pop that over there. And then we have, well, I'm not sure how many good ones because the bag has many. I should really put them in a different bag. Or some of them. But it's okay. So there are the good RAM chips from Dusty, Rusty, and Crusty. Now there's 2 more good ones in the screen RAM. Let me just look here. Do I have? Okay. So I have another. What is this? Bent. Oh yeah, and I've got another with a bent pin. And I've got it. Oh yeah, this is the other. I've got another chip with a bent pin, but not a RAM chip. So we'll put all those over there. And then we'll take our original screen RAM chip and put it in and turn it on to make sure that we're still good. And indeed, we're still good. So that is enough of that for now. There are more chips to test. And on the Dusty, Rusty, and Crusty machine, I really think there is either micro corrosion in the socket, a defective socket, perhaps a cold solder joint. Hard to tell, but I think that board has got to come out. I think. So we will see what we find. One day at a time, one trip at a time. So thanks for coming and enjoying the view inside this original 1977, good golly, 87, 97, 2007. Ooh. Wow, we're really getting on. We're getting towards 50 years old and it's still working. We are. So I guess the next thing to do is to see about some of the other major chips, and let's see where we go from there. Thanks for coming to the pet room. David Bradley, signing off.